Hey guys, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to bring something new that many have been waiting for. Bitcoin mining on cell phone. Yes, this is totally possible, but few people do it correctly. In this video, we'll explain how you have to do it to really earn a good extra income. Before we start, I wanted to invite you to subscribe to my channel and like this video. This helps me a lot to bring more content like this to you. Let's start the video. Open your app store and search for Bitcoin Miner. Search exactly this way. This is the application that we will use to mine Bitcoin. Click install and wait for the installation. This app has an excellent rating in the Play Store with a 4.6 star rating. When you visit this app, you can check out all the positive reviews and proof that the app really catches on. Let's open the app. This is the app's home screen. However, when you download the app, you will need to log in or create a new account to start mining on your cell phone. We can see that we will come across several buttons and functions. But don't worry, I'll explain it in the simplest way possible and give you the best method to start making money on this app. Let's return to the home screen. And the first thing I need to say is that you should not subscribe to any type of paid service within this application. If you do, you will waste time and money. This app basically offers paid plans to speed up mining, but still, it is not advantageous. You can speed up mining completely free just by watching ads. Shovel. We can come across 3 mining options. The first is mining where you start every 8 hours. It is not worth it at all. The one that is really worth it is the 24-hour one. Its mining speed is faster and more powerful. But there is one thing that few people know, is that you can see several ads to significantly increase your mining speed. I'm actually talking about a very significant increase. At first, your mining speed will average 6 per second. But as you watch ads, you can multiply the speed by much more than 50 times. Yes, that's right, 50 times. I also started with 6 per second, but I'm already at 250 per second, which is almost 50 times faster. For that, I had to watch 56 short ads throughout the day. Let's click on a short ad, and as soon as that it ends, we can see the speed increasing a little more. It is important to highlight that this acceleration lasts 24 hours after you watch the ad. This doesn't mean you need to spend the whole day watching ads. You can set aside 30 minutes of your day to do this, and earn the whole day, without doing anything at all. This is the withdrawal part of your assets. You can choose between these 3 blockchain networks to receive your bitcoins. To withdraw all the accumulated money, click on All, where it is written in blue. Automatically, your total amount will appear, and below, just fill in your wallet address. Withdrawal is fast. It only takes a few minutes for your money to be credited to your wallet. You can withdraw as many times as you want. Your balance updates every 1 second, and you don't necessarily need to leave the app open. You can simply close the app, and it will continue mining at the same normal speed. So, rest assured, you won't need to spend all day on this app. You can do your tasks normally while the app is mining, but it's good to watch a few ads a day so that mining is efficient and so you can cash out faster. And always remember to click on the watch ad button as soon as it turns green and available to click, as this is precisely what will increase your mining speed in the next 24 hours. That's basically it, folks. So don't spend a cent here. Just use the free resources. The video ends here. Thank you very much for watching. I hope everything goes well with your mining. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. To the next.